Want to know how to scan the QR code on TikTok app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to scan QR code on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Share Profile option right beside the Edit Profile. Now tap on the Scan button at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can scan QR code on TikTok app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.